Hello Tasty fam and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to try some viral food hacks and taste if they actually work or they are fake. This shout out goes to Dejan Levis, Linky Happy Life, Dragon Fun, Vijay Kumar Gupta, Julia MN, Vinod Navrit. Watch the video till the end and drop a like if you like this video and leave your comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's check if it works or not. So here I have used 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and now I'm gonna shape it into the shape of 5, but you can give any shape you like. It is looking good just like the video. As you can see, sugar is melting and 5 is converting into something different. As you can see, sugar has started burning from downside. Not only sugar, but my pan is also completely burned with the shape of 5. So I think this hack is completely failed. And the taste is also not good. So for hack second, I have used watermelon and a thread, and now let's cut it with the help of a thread. Now let us cut it into pieces. As you can see, watermelon is easily getting cut. I think this hack was completely successful. For hack second, I have used 1 glass of water and now let it boil. Hold your chocolate on hot water for about a minute. Lay down a butter paper for making chocolate decorations on it. Here you can see I'm trying hard to write nice with the help of chocolate, but you can see it is getting spoiled everywhere. Now let's make something different with it. Here I'm making a star with the help of a toothpick. Now let us try to make some different shapes with the help of chocolate. Now freeze it for 5 minutes in freezer. Chocolate is stick to the butter paper and it is not coming out. As you can see, it is breaking into pieces. Now let us stick out the circles which we made with chocolate on the butter paper. You can see it is easily coming out. Now here I am decorating a cupcake with the help of chocolate. For me, this hack is 8 out of 10. If you want recipe of this pancake batter, comment me down. Here I am using a skewer. Now we will cover it with batter. Pancake is looking good now. Now flip it. As you can see, it is broken from inside. Let us cook this pancake and we will make one more. As you can see, my stick has came out easily. I don't know why, but I think this hack is not at all working. For me, this hack was completely failed. Let's go to last hack. Here I am using a thick pineapple slice. Flip the pineapple slice after 30 seconds. Here I am putting a small piece of strawberry. Now let us make a pancake with the help of pancake batter. Now very carefully try to flip it. As you can see, the pancake batter is coming out of strawberry. Here I made 2 pancakes. Now let us taste it. As you can see, the pineapple is very hard and the pancake is very soft. But the taste of all pancake, pineapple and strawberry is too good. I rate this hack 10 out of 10.